All right, so we're doing our tech drawing, and what we're going to do today, 1.5 inches equals a foot, and that your build is 1.5 inches equals a foot. Are we good?
Yeah.
So here's some things you need to know, everybody. Ready? First off, what is the span? The distance that the roof is traveling. The total span of our building is 8 feet. From one side of the outside to the other side of the outside of the building is 8 feet. How do you get the run? The run is this, guys. Down the middle. The roof runs into the middle, right? And then goes down the other side. Or both sides come into the middle, depending on how you're looking at it. Are you with me?
Yeah.
All right. So to get the total run of the roof rafter or the cord, you take the total span, divide it in half, and that gives you your total run. Our common roof run to the center of the building is going to be 4 feet. Is that right? Span divided by 2 equals the total run. Our span is 8 feet divided by 2. Total run 4 feet. Are you with me? 4 feet. Now, in a common roof, you break it up into units of run, and each unit, the run is 12 inches. Are we good?
Yes.
So the run is 12, and then the architect or the designer or the builder gives you the rise. In our case, the rise is 6 inches. So for every 12 inches that this roof goes in, the rafter goes up 12 inches. Looks like this. Goes 12 inches in, 6 inches up. 1 unit. Right here. 6 inches up, 12 in. You with me? Are you with me?
Yes.
Right? 6, 6, 6, 12, 12, 12. Okay? So how high up is that rafter from the base? If it goes up 6 inches for every unit, what's the total rise? Anybody? 4 units. Each unit is rising by 6. What's the total rise? 24. So from under here to under here is 24. Or from here to here is 24. You get it?
Yeah.
That's what we need to know. So one more time. Span divided by 2 equals the total run. You break the run up into units of run, and each unit of run is 12 inches. Then the architect will give you, or the drawing will give you, what the rise is. You'll find that on the drawing. That's what it looks like. And it's telling you, for every 6 you go up, you go in 12, or every 12 you go in, you go up 6. Okay? Now, what we need to know is what the diagonal is to get the whole length of the rafter. And I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. Don't nobody go away. To get the line length, everybody. This is called the line length right here. Can you see that? That's the line length of the unit from that diagonal to there, or the total line length goes up to there. Now, to get that, everyone, if you're talking, you're not listening. To get that, everyone, you go to your square here, and I look. On the square, there's a table. Length of common rafters. You slide down, and you look for the number that you're rising. So we're going up 6. So under the 6, there's a number. And that number is 13.42. 13.42 times what? What am I timesing that by? That's the unit. That's 1 unit of line length. You with me? 1 unit of line length. So how many times do I times that number for our rafter? 4. Very good. 4. Mr. Burke's dumb guy math class. You ready?
8.
4.
8.
Times 2 is 8. 4 times 4?
6.
16.
Carry
right?
the 1.
Put the 1 up there. 12, 13, yes?
4.
Right?
Yeah.
Carry the 1. 4, 5. Is that right?
Yeah. Plus
Okay,
carry the 1.
everyone.
So
53.68. So I know 53 inches. What's 0.68? Does anybody know? Does anybody know? I'm going to tell you real quick how I would do it if I didn't want to do the math.
2.
0.50 is a half. Yes? Is that right?
1, 2,
Right.
4/5.
0.75
3 quarters.
3 quarters. Is 68 somewhere in the middle of that?
Yeah.
So could I not say maybe it's 5/8 around about, right? Or whatever, I can get close, or we can do the math. I hear someone talking. When you're talking, you're not listening. And you're still talking. All right. 0.68, everybody, times 16. Here we go. Look, a couple things that bother me. The talking between you two is bothering me. The talking between you two is bothering me. Okay? Here we go. Love this. All right. One more time for the math, everybody.
Yeah.
Go to the framing square. Find 6. The line length of that unit is 13.42. 13.42. Right? Times 4, we said. Times 4 units. 8, 16, 12, 13, 4, 5. Yes?
Yeah.
53.68 inches. Okay.
Now what's 0.68?
0.6.
53.68. Now we need to know what 0.68 is. Like I said, you could 0.50 is a half, 0.75 is 3/4. It's somewhere in the middle there, right? Could be, how many 16ths are in a half? There's 8, right?
Yeah.
How many 16ths are in 3/4? There's
12.
12, right? So in the middle here, I got 4 in the middle to play around with, right? So let's cut it down the middle and call it 10. 10, what does 10 16ths equal? 5/8. Let's see how close we get to that. And to do it with the math, you do 0.68 times 16, and here we go. 6 times 8, 48. 6 times 6, 36, and 4 is 40, right? Remember to put the 4 down, Mr. Burke.
Cross at the 6.
0. Are we good?
Yeah, cross at the 6.
Then we go here.
Okay, 1 times 8. 8.
8. 6.
6.
Are we good?
Yeah.
Gonna add this up now.
8. 10.
10. I'm gonna put my point. It's 11 16ths, right? We're gonna call it 11 16ths because 10.88 is more than 10.50. We're gonna call it 11 16ths. Are we good?
Yeah.
So the length of our rafter is 53.
Wait, wouldn't you do the math for 0.88 too?
Huh?
Would you do the math for 0.88 as well?
Nah, we don't get into anything. It's a 16th is the smallest we work with, right?
Oh.
We don't want to get into 30 seconds and all that, right? Good question though, right? Okay. All right. And those of you who were talking didn't get it, but the rest of you did. All right, are we good? So now we know the length of our rafter, everybody, right? And what's the length again? From here, the outside, under the rafter, to the other side right here. That's the line length. And if I take this line up, it's the same length. It's the same length. And then we have our 6-inch overhang that we have to factor in, and we'll do that later. Okay? Good? Good. All right.